Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just got through making a video on how to reproduce this font. And this is only if you're ever going to not be able to uh, find that font. So I thought the other one was so long and kind of complicated, I thought I would kind of go over how you could make this font a little closer to the other one. And we're going to zoom in here, and the A is pretty good. It's a little bit different. We're going to control K to break every letter apart, and then we can move that A kind of more to the middle, and you see that the lines of the black font are a little bit bigger. So we're going to take the shape tool, and we're going to have to go and arrange and convert it to a curve, then get the shape tool, and you can move these two nodes up. You know, and I've got several videos, and everybody else has doing how to make these align. So we're going to grab these two and maybe move them over, and then move this one up and move this one up. And I'm not going to make them perfect for this video, but you can kind of see what I'm doing and getting them closer to that font. Matter of fact, we can grab all three of these and then click off of them and grab these two. Whoop. You can always back up. That's what I like about Corel. And then you could align these. And what I would do is select these four and go up to align nodes. Align them horizontally. And there you go. And then you could align these vertically. And you see how that's done. A little bit on the A, a little bit on the E, but you can kind of get the idea. See what my nudge factor says, stood on 2 inches, so we'll nudge them out of the way. And what I did before kind of took too long and everything, so we're going to do this the easier way. We're going to put no fill, and so I'll left click, right click, and then I'm going to go up to effects, and I'm going to contour. I'm going to contour. That won't let me do them individually, or it should. Sometimes, there we go. And I'm going to contour them twice to 0.04. And once you've got it set, it'll do it. And then all you have to do is take your outline, double click their hairlines, and just make them a thicker line. We're going to go 1 point. And then we're going to take the Smart Fill tool and we're going to fill in this black. Now, you know, it all depends on the customer. But if you're just trying to match a font close, whoop, I still have the Smart Fill tool. Those three letters are pretty identical. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.